Morgan Freeman, of course.
Just get ready, because sometimes these questions can be deep. Let's welcome Danny from Firstech to the couch. All right, Danny, how has your Knowledefest experience been thus far?
So far, so good. I'm a veteran at Knowledgefest, so it's the most expected type of event.
You enjoying
Very good.
yourself?
I am enjoying myself. This is my first time in Atlantic City, actually.
Mine too.
Yeah, I never knew this place existed.
Me either.
It's like a little Vegas.
It is. How comfortable is the orange couch on a scale from 1 to 10?
1 to 10,
Get comfy.
Be honest.
it's an 8.
Oh,
It's actually pretty comfortable.
it is. Isn't
Yeah. You have to sit back to actually get the full effect.
it? If you could have any celebrity narrate your life, who would it be and why?
Morgan Freeman, of course. Yeah, it's kind of obvious. You know, he's got that deep voice, and it's very like climatic. You know, and so I think he could do a good narrating of my life.
I agree.
Yeah.
What is one of the craziest or one of your favorite show stories? You don't have to hold back.
No, I forgot which show it was, but we had a booth that was next to some show cars, and one of the show cars caught on fire. So I think that was probably one of the most exciting events that's happened at Knowledgefest. I don't remember which one that was, to be honest, but they had to get a fire extinguisher to put it out. It was pretty crazy.
No way.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
I hear you're into Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Yes.
What belt are you?
I'm a black belt.
Are you?
Yes.
Awesome. Is that all you do in MMA, or are you like wide versed?
Yeah, I mean, I've been training martial arts since I was 3, so there hasn't really been too much of a gap. It's just something that I'm very passionate about. So
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I also do it.
Nice. What?
Not jiu-jitsu though.
Okay. I think jiu-jitsu is something you should definitely look into if you're in any type of martial arts.
It's hard for girls, you know. There's a lot of guys that want to roll, and I don't
There's
want
a lot of girls that roll.
Not where we're from.
Oh, really? Okay.
What is one of your most prized possessions and why?
Ooh. I think one of my most prized possession is my 2011 Evo 10. I've had that thing for about 10 years, and it's fully built. I think that's probably my prized possession, honestly. It's just, it's my baby.
It's your baby?
Yeah. Can't let it go. I had babies, and everyone thought I was going to get rid of it, and I still got it.
What is some new or current products that you are most excited about right now?
Oh man, that was easy. Our drone XC is probably by far one of the most innovative and creative products that we've came out with. Drone XC is basically if you took our drone telematics and our Momento dash cameras and you meshed them into one unit, now you have the ability to live view using 4G LTE, which is great, and you have the peace of mind that you have a drive dash camera on your car just in case for any collisions. But you can also pair it with one of our alarm systems. So if your alarm goes off, you can live view it for that peace of mind.
That immediate.
Yeah, that immediate surveillance. Think like Ring door camera, but on your car. Yeah.
I hear a lot of people are excited about that. I've heard about it actually a lot this weekend already.
Yeah, very exciting. You know, we're currently back ordered, so sales are good.
Yeah.
You know, yes.
Good.
But you know, information to get information out there on like really like the differences between pairing it with one of our controllers or standalone. There's a little gap there, so hopefully we can try to really train on how it actually works, and that information is relayed fairly well. So we're finding it a little difficult, but it's yeah, we just gotta figure out a good way of trying to get that information out there.
Yeah,
training.
trial and error.
Training, yeah.
Awesome. What is the best piece of advice you've ever received from a child?
From a child?
We're gonna make you think.
Save my money, maybe.
Really?
Yeah, I think I was buying some Girl Scout cookies, and this little girl gave me advice. I was like, save all your money, and I'm like, okay, well, that's very good advice, I guess, you know. But I guess you learn that as you get older, you know. But yeah.
What a wise child.
Yeah, it was very interesting.
All right, Danny. Thanks for joining me on the Orange Couch.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
Of course, our pleasure.